Hello, it's Jay here again and welcome to another tutorial. So in this lesson we are going to begin to fix the player controls, and we're going to come to update player's rotation, and we're going to copy this if statement. It's one we've used plenty of times before. If player 1's position on the x-axis is less than opponent's. And we're going to come to standard input manager, and what we're going to do is we're going to come here below these returns. So there's 3 if statements with returns. We're going to paste that in. And we're also going to add some brackets at the end. And we'll just move the comment back where it should be. And we'll copy that if statement and we'll paste it in, and we'll just change it to greater than, changing the comment. So now we need these 2 if statements here. Now these are for the horizontal. We have 3 altogether, 2 for the horizontal and 1 for the vertical. We don't need the vertical. Oh, and in case you're wondering, yeah, these are out of alignment because I actually started recording this video and ended up having a little bit of a coughing fit, so I've had to come back and restart. So I've pasted that into the first if statement, and the second one we can paste in again, but we need to change these out. So player walk left in the first one, I'll just paste walk right. And now we change the last one to walk left. I'll just come back and swap out the comments. So let's have a look. We'll need to tidy this up a bit. And I'll just break this line up with 4 commenting. So it's just a case going through and tidying everything up. And again, I'm just going to break this line up for the comments. Again, no changes to the line, just to the comments. So let's have a look. We don't need that empty line there or here. And the last little bit, so So let's just have a look at that. And we'll make sure everything's correct. So and okay, let's save that off there for the moment. And what I'm going to do is copy one of the if statements again. And let's come up to the walk left and walk right. So, going to paste this in. I'll just need to add the close bracket. And I'm putting it in just above this if statement and then the line which changes the state back to idle. We're going to cut and paste this inside the new set of brackets. And then we'll paste the if block back in. And we're going to change it to greater than. And what we can actually do now is copy this. So this is from the walk right. And we'll paste it into this if statement. And as you can see, we're still in the player walk left. So now you should have two of these in the player walk left. So walk right. Again. Let's just copy one of the if statements. And again, we'll do that. We'll do that a second time and just change it to greater than. Excuse me then for coughing. So the line where we change to idle, that goes in the first one. And we're going to come to player walk left and we're going to copy from the first if block. And we're going to paste that in. And I'm just going to save it there for the moment. So let's come back and have a look. So this is the player walk left. And I'm just going to leave this highlighted. So this is now how your code should look in the walk left. So please pause the video if you've got a little confused, whatever, as you're following along, and make sure your code matches this in the walk left. And now I'm coming to play a walk right, and again I'm going to highlight this. And please pause the video and make sure this is correct before we move on. Okay, hopefully you've paused the video and you've double checked and everything is working correctly. So let's now have a look. And this, we're going to change the if statements in both. Now, how do we know which one it changes? The change with the or, these two vertical bars, not the double ands. So let's have a look, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete from the open bracket to the first degree modifier. So now you should have if open bracket and then nothing apart from the comment and two vertical lines. Now we can come here now and we're going to say if input dot and we want get axis, open and close brackets, inside the brackets speech marks, horizontal, and let's have a look. So what we're going to do is say is less than equals 0. Let's just copy that bit of code, player walk right. Again, we're going to come to the or and just paste that over. Let's just save that off there. And that was to hopefully fix a bug where sometimes our player would constantly keep walking right. So let's just let this run through again and we'll test it out. So let's just walk left and right on this side of the screen. Everything works fine, and the good news is I no longer have that continuously walking right bug as well. So I'm just going to come to the scene. I'm going to move the player to the other side. That's because we still have a slight glitch when the player tries to jump over again. That's something we'll get round to fixing. But now I'm just going to check, and yes, the controls are no longer reversed when I'm on this side of the screen. So left now moves left and right walks right. So we'll stop that there. We'll leave it here for this lesson. Obviously we need to do the horizontal jumping. That's something else that we actually need to deal with. And then it will be well, I'm actually going to leave it up to all of you. As I said, there are still one or two glitches, but we've done a few of these updates and fixes videos now. Do you want me to carry on and come back, or get these glitches out of the way and then move on? And if I do move on, what do you want me to do next? Do you want me to carry on with the special moves or do something else? And I'll leave it up for you to decide. Please always just leave a comment in one of the videos. I do look at those, and that will give me an idea of what you would prefer. Hopefully that way it keeps things interesting for you. So as I said, we'll leave it here for now and we'll pick it up in the very next lesson. So as always, hope you enjoyed this video. I hope to see you next time, and until then, as always, bye for now.